Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to do this French tip nail art for short nails. I'm going to show you my technique and hopefully it works for you. Don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell, and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let's go ahead and get started. First, apply your favorite base coat. I applied one coat. Next, instead of the normal pale pink polish, I'm choosing the shimmery polish and I apply one coat. This next step is optional, but I'm going to take my liquid latex and line my nails. It's just going to make the cleanup process much easier. Next, I chose a white polish to do my French tip. This is the technique that works best for me. As you can see, while I'm painting it on, I'm rotating my finger. That just helps to get it evenly across the top of the nail. I did the same thing when putting on the second coat. Now I'm just peeling off the liquid latex. As you can see, it wasn't perfect, so this is the next thing that I do. I take a Q-tip, just dipped in a little polish remover, and I twist it on top of my nail to get rid of that polish. Last, I applied my favorite top coat, and you'll also notice I apply it very slowly. I just don't want to smudge it. And that's all there is to this video. I hope this technique will help some of you out there. I like short nails, but I also like long nails, so you'll see my video transition to both. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Take care.